This is what I've been building. It is called AWS AI Cost Optimizer. So it uses AWS Lambda and cloud AI model through AWS Bedrock to analyze your cloud infrastructure cost and generate actionable optimization recommendations for you. Now, here is the challenge. Quite a lot of people have stopped used AWS because of the high cost, and some are avoiding AWS. They don't use AWS because of the cost. Now, if there is a way they can reduce that cost by 25 to 40%, they are going to come back. And those who are scared of the prices of the cost, they are also going to start using AWS. So this is an AI powered analysis, that helps you to optimize your cost. It gives you a leverage, and it gives you instant results. The optimization is instant. Within 5 to 10 seconds, it does that for you. So when you click on this button here, all right, so it helps you to analyze your cost. All right. So, and here is the GitHub. Before that, let me share the features with you. You know, it gives you real-time cost monitoring and analysis, AI-driven environment-specific recommendations. That's what you get from it. You get detailed, actionable steps for implementation. It is secured, serverless architecture for streamlined development. Then it is fully responsive for mobile interface. So it means that you can have access to it on the go. Anywhere you are on the mobile phone, you can easily use the solution. Now, taking to the repo, which is the repository here, the language used, we have HTML and Python. Then this is in case you want the live demo is here, the source code, the overview is here if you want to check that out. So you have the testing instruction, you have the live demo testing is recommended. You can follow these steps for testing. So it is quite fast. It is quite fast and easy to use. So how AWS Lambda powers the solution is here. The AI gateway, the prompt engineering, response processing, error handling, and security layer. All of these are the ways that Lambda used to power this solution. Okay, so that's how it works. Thank you.